All right, let me just make sure this is recording. Yes, it is. And away we go. All right, we're going to work through these problems, and I'm going to give you some problems as we work through them for you to do on this ed puzzle. So let's take a look. On this one, it says, what is the molarity? So that is a big clue. As soon as I see the word molarity, I'm going to write my molarity formula down. Molarity equals moles over liters. If we're doing the molarity formula, we need to have molarity, moles, and liters. They are looking for molarity. So this is what they're looking for. So put a box around that. That's going to become my X. Okay, let's keep reading. Of a solution that was prepared by dissolving 14.2 grams of sodium nitrate. 14.2 grams. We look over here, there is no grams in this formula. However, grams can be converted to moles, just like moles can be converted to grams. Using the formula, moles equals grams over gram formula mass. Okay, so we're going to take this 14.2 grams, 14.2 grams of NaNO3, and we're going to change it to moles. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to calculate the gram formula mass, because the formula for this is moles equals grams over gram formula mass. We have grams, circle it, I'll circle it in yellow. That's going to go here. The gram formula mass is going to come from the formula. So let's go. Na is one of them at 23. N is one of them at 14. O, there's three of them at 16 apiece. So that's 23, 14, 48. 8, 12, 15, 4, 5, and 3 is 8. So it's 85 grams per mole. Running out of room there. Okay, that's going to go here, where the gram formula mass is. So if we bring out our blue pen again, we have moles equals 14.2 grams over 85 grams per mole. Let's take out a calculator, find one, and let's do 14.2 divided by 85. And we're going to get moles equals 0.17. It's 0.167 on my calculator. I rounded it up, moles, and I am labeling that. That is not my answer. That number right there is going to go here, where it says moles. Okay, so now we have 0.17 moles over, oh look, I didn't even finish reading. Mole mass is 85, which is what I calculated here. That molar mass is this number. Okay, in enough water to make 350 milliliters. 350 milliliters is the same as 0.350 liters. We move our decimal 3 places to the left. So that would go here, 0.350 liters. X equals 0.17 divided by 0.350, and we get 0.485, so I'm going to do 0.49. Make sure you label what it is. It's molarity. So that's my answer right there. Answer. All right, let's try the next one. What is the molarity? So once again, I'm looking for molarity, which is the big M. Molarity equals moles over liters. Of a solution that was prepared by dissolving 82 grams of calcium chloride, and they gave us the molar mass. So that's this whole thing that I was doing right here. So we don't have to do that, but I will calculate the moles over here on this side. Moles equals grams over gram formula mass. The grams was 82.0, that I'm getting from right here, over, that's grams, over molar mass, 111.1 grams per mole, is going to equal moles. Take out our calculators. 82 divided by 111, 1, and you get moles equals 0.738. Let's make it 0.74. 0.74 moles. Okay, label that. Don't leave it naked. Okay, now we have this number. We have moles. We have 0.74 moles over, let's keep reading, in enough water to make 812 milliliters. We're going to convert that to liters. So we get 0.812 liters. 0.812 liters. That's going to equal molarity. See how I keep everything in the same place? Now I'm going to do 0.74. Get my calculator back. 0.74 divided by 0.812, and I'm going to end up with 0.9 molar solution. That's my answer. All right, number 3. What is the molarity of a solution? So again, molarity equals moles over liters. Everybody needs to write your formula down. You've got 5.5 grams of HCl. You got to convert that to moles. To moles. So we'll do that over here. Moles equals grams over gram formula mass. Molar mass is our gram formula mass. We have 5.5 grams over gram formula mass of 36.5 grams per mole. And that's going to give us moles. So let's break out our calculators. 5.5 divided by 36.5, and we get 0.15 moles. Label it. Nothing naked on your paper. Okay, that again is moles. So let's put molarity is going to equal 0.15 moles. Well, my pencil. Moles over liters. 250 milliliters is the same as 0.250 liters. Molarity equals 0.15 divided by 0.25. That's going to be 0.6 molar solution. Okay, next and last. This one's a little bit different because now they're asking us for grams. So I'm going to change colors. Let's see. How many grams? Okay. We're going to use our molarity formula again. Molarity equals moles over liters because they gave me molarity in the question and they gave me milliliters. Milliliters over here. Okay. How many grams of sodium bromide, molar mass of 102.9, would be needed to prepare 700 milliliters of a 0.23 molar sodium bromide solution? Okay. If I can calculate moles, if I can find moles, I can change moles to grams. Molarity equals moles. Let's find the moles. We have, we're looking for moles. The moles is my X, and my liters is going to be 700 milliliters, which is 0.7 liters. My molarity is 0.23. It's right here, 0.23. 0.23 molar. Now, when we do this, we're going to cross multiply. 0.23 times 0.7 equals 1x. 0.23 times 0.7, 0.23 times 0.7 is going to equal 0.161. Okay, that's 0.161 moles. Not my answer. So over here now, I have to use my moles equals grams over gram formula mass question, or equation, sorry. Moles is going to be 0.161. I'm looking for grams, right? How many grams? I'm looking for that. And my gram formula mass, they gave us 102.9. Once again, we'll put this over 1, and we'll cross multiply. Sorry. 102.9 times 161, that's this, equals 1x. So now I'll take out my calculator again. And we'll do 102.9 times 161. And we get, ooh, that's a big number. Oh, it's 0.161. Oops, sorry about that, guys. 102.9 times 0.161. That's better. Okay, x equals 16.6. And what are the units? What were we looking for? We were looking for grams, so that's grams. Okay, moles of sodium bromide to grams of sodium bromide.